All lines clear. Take her out slow.
Aye, Captain. Moving to the bridge. Net secured.
Send the doors. Watch the spray. Cables running clear.
We're showing good spread on the doors now. Start the haul in sequence in 5 minutes.
Look at the size of that haul.
We hit the jackpot, boys. Keep it steady.
This is the biggest one yet. Keep that line clear. We have a heavy haul.
All hands on deck for the sorting bins.
Watch the belts. They are filling fast. Keep the tension on the main line.
Haul faster on the winch. Watch the stack.
We've got a heavy load here. Keep it steady.
Vessel A to B, we have the main school.
Roger that. Closing the gap now.
Watch the starboard side, lots of jumpers.
Steady now, easy.
Okay, pull on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Watch the swing on that pot. Get it secured now. Hold the line. We got a full pot here.
Check the width on that one, B. 17, legal.
All right, throw it in the tank.
All right, bring her down easy. Watch the starboard side, Cap. Swing her starboard. Get ready to trip that gate. Bring it up easy, watch the swing. All right, got it hooked, lower it down. Got one, swing it in. Clear the deck, coming down. Hooked another one on the starboard side. Keep the tension on the winch. It's coming up, grab the tail rope. Easy, easy, bring it in slow. Start the power block, bring it in slow. Pressure's high, keep the tension steady. Flow rate looks good, keep it steady. Roger that, Cap. Shifting to tank 2. Bring it up easy now, watch the strap. Hey, steady as she goes.
Bridge to boat 1, tighten the circle. Copy that, bridge. We're cinching it now.
Bring it up slowly.
The hold is ready. Start the transfer.
Copy that. Opening the gate now. Keep that pump clear. We have a blockage starting. Copy that. Increasing flow on line 3. Okay, lowering the container now.
Water quality is stable.
Release sequence initiated.
sure the temperature is maintained below freezing for the shrimp shipment.
Yes, Supervisor, we are adding the gel packs now.
Bring it up easy now, watch the strap. Hey, steady as she goes.
Bridge to boat 1, tighten the circle. Copy that, bridge, we're cinching it now.
Order up, we need 6 more mahi-mahi on the grill.
Coming right up, chef.
They really brought the ocean right to the table tonight.
Absolutely. Cheers to American seafood.